Om Shastrodharakaya Namaha.
Glory of Gurudev, you can say, Shastra Uddharaka. How many were interested in the Shastras? In fact, people were allergic to Shastra. Any Shastri coming, I mean, those who are talking on scriptures. Satyanarayana Puja. How many people sat in the puja? Only poor ladies and children with a maid to sit. And husbands outside, smoking, cards, Satyanarayana Puja inside. Never invite such people. But we invite. Company Samji, social, I have to be social. If they're not in the puja on time, take their autograph. Today Raja was taking autograph. So nobody was interested in the Shastra. He made the Shastra so interesting. Because I would never have become Swami at all. I would have never entered this, the path of spirituality if I did not see Gurudev. How he could enchant the intellectuals especially. That shows I'm intellectual. Okay? Because the intellectuals were ridiculing the scriptures. All the intellectual college students, if any Shastri is speaking, Panditji, oh Panditji, and they will ask, Panditji, Gita padaiye. And the Panditji thinks that they are wanting to listen. But they used to ridicule the Panditji, despise the scriptures. But once, how many people say, seekers are studying Vedanta in Himalayas? So many people are studying sannyasis in Himalayas. But how many came down to give to us? So what the Himalayan glory, he came down, he saw Ganga Maya coming down. Like Ganges, he flowed down. Just as Ganges is nourishing everyone on the way, he nourished everyone wherever he flowed. How much of enthusiasm he created to study the scriptures, to reflect upon the scriptures, especially to the intellectuals. He catered to the intellectual community. Because all the intellectuals were losing faith in they're all becoming atheists, and he himself was an atheist. Therefore, he could easily convert any atheist into that direction. Shastra Uddharaka. He came and lifted the Shastras in our mind and intellect. We did not have any value for Shastras. He created the value for Shastras. How many in the offices? All the workers were attending the Gita Yajna. Why? The boss is attending. And they'll go and, good evening, sir, in the Gita Yajna. They'll go to the boss and say, good evening, sir. Oh, you also come for Swamiji's talk? I also come, sir. Every day, regularly I come. That boss also, yeah, I like it. I am very happy to see you. That much. So, because the boss is coming, Yajna Acharate Shrestha. If the mother is chanting Gita, children will chant. Mother and children are chanting, they will ridicule the father. So, father silently practices. Isn't it? That's how. So, Gita Maya, Ganga Maya, that's why we call mother. So, Shastra Uddhar. What is Shastra? Shastra is that which saves us from all dangers. That which saves is Shastra. Saves from all the dangers of life. The low tendencies. Once you start reading the Shastras, we start to recognize the low tendencies and the false values. And we are ever ready to fight against it. That's the glory of Shastra. So that which blesses all is called Shastra. Hitam upadishati iti Shastra. That which gives the hitam, the good for all. That which gives goodness itself, that is called Shastra. And Gurudev went to the source itself. Imagine how much he struggled to get the Shastra. Himalayas, Uttarakashi. And he went to the source, means Upanishad itself he went. And that source With all force, he brought it to us. Like he did the Bhagiratha tapas. How Bhagiratha brought Ganges down. Like that, Gurudev brought the Vedanta Shastra to our awareness. If not what Upanishad we would have known, what Gita, we were not aware of anything. We thought sacred scriptures. Sacred scriptures means keep it in the puja room. And then once in a while do Arati. That's all we thought. Gita Arati. What is in Gita? Very sacred. Very sacred what? It has been wrapped up first with a one cloth, over that another cloth, over that another cloth, and the silken cloth finally. Puja. But what is in the Gita? In Chinmaya Mission also we made one small size Gita. Deliberately say, they ask Swamiji, why it's so difficult to read or Swamiji can't see? No, that's a puja edition. Because all are doing puja, to do puja, that's the edition. You can keep it very beautiful to look at. So you can do Aarti. So he brought out, people started reading Gita after seeing Gurudev. In the trains, buses, in any offices. And when people see we're waiting in the waiting room, not in the, while doing work. Gurudev discouraged that. If you're waiting for appointment, then they were reading Gita. That's the glow. So one who inspired us, he became the GPS. GPS means? Guru himself is the position system. The Guru Parampara system, he brought. Guru Parampara Sampradaya, he brought. He did not create his own original. What the Upanishad declares, that he brought in the technique of presentation. The way he presented, all the intellectuals were inspired. They wanted to walk the path of spirituality. So his guidance was so glorious. Everybody enjoyed his guidance. The very word guidance indicates the spelling G-U-I. If you and I follow G means Guru. When you and I follow Guru, then our life will be dance, oh dance. When do you dance? When you are sorrowful? When you are joyful, you automatically dance. Joy, oh joy, dance, oh dance. Dance in the reflection of the spiritualism, the spiritual ideas. That's the glory of Guru. He is the guiding light.
Om Shastrodharakaya Namaha